Can you actually use TTR to recontribute your money back into super to claim tax deduction? It's a good question asked me someone online. So I'm going to make a quick video and explain that here. Hopefully this is useful. Okay, let's look at an example. This person, name whoever you want, let's say he has a TTR or she has a TTR. And in a TTR, you have a super account and a pension account. So let's say we've got $25,000 balance there in the super account, and then we have $400,000 balance in the pension account. Now, how does it work? In the financial year, you can withdraw up to 4 to 10% because the TTR from this account, which is pension. So 4% is 16K and 10% is 40K of this 400,000. So these are the limits you can withdraw. You have to withdraw the minimum, but you can go all the way to 10%. So let's look at this scenario. Let's say this person is earning $150,000 in salary. So the SG on that would be 18,000, right? So the concessional cap for the year is $30,000. So if the SG, which is this, is 18,000, what is left is 12K. So this 12K is the additional contribution this person can put into super. Now, let's say they've withdrawn, 40K, whatever. What now they can do is they can contribute this $12,000 as a personal contribution and claim a tax deduction. Now, yes, the tax deduction based on the marginal tax rate, which is 39%. So if this $12,000, which they have now through accessing through TTR, goes back here into the super as a personal contribution, they're probably better off by about $4,680 just from the tax deduction point of view. But do remember they'll pay 15% tax when money goes into super. But let's just focus here, the after-tax effect on the situation. Now, also to remember, because the superannuation balance, total superannuation balance is less than 500K, and assuming they've not utilized their catch-up provisions in the past, now, maybe they can utilize the whole $40,000. And in that example, if they utilize the whole $40,000, because their balance is less than 500K, the overall balance, what happens is $40,000 goes into the super as a contribution. And if they claim at 39%, the tax deduction is about $15,600. And this is how you can sort of recycle your TTR pension money back in super and claim a tax deduction. This is available. Some people use it, some don't, but I would not recommend you to just go and do this on your own. Seek advice because this can be complex. And also there are other things which we need to be mindful of, the financial goals and stuff like that. So hope this was useful. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, seek advice and get help to get this done. It can be valuable.